Hi guys, I'm at the Hotel de la Coupole, MGallery by Sofitel. It's a long name. I'm just going to call it the MGallery by Sofitel. It's easier to say. So we're just going to start out here in the corridor. This is a quick room tour of one of their deluxe rooms with a king bed. So we enter the room here and sort of walking straight into this. Not very large space, but a very interesting space. It's got a lot of character and feel to it. And yeah, you're looking straight into the sort of shower bath area, and then right next to it, they've got a vanity sink area set up here. And right next to that, you've got the throne room, of course. And it goes behind a door. So, full length mirror here, and storage for jackets and other things. The bathrobe's already in there. There's a whole theme going on here, if you can't tell. It's sort of very Victorian, bohemian chicness happening. I'm not sure how to describe it, but remnants of the French era in Vietnam for sure. Oh, and I'm in Sapa, Vietnam, which I forgot to mention earlier. So yeah, not a large bedroom, fairly straightforward, but I'll pause at different points and let you sort of take in the view from different angles. So this is sort of the whole thing, the whole space, sort of in one view, one take. But yeah, lots of little details happening, like the chandeliers. I don't know if you guys noticed, there's a light sort of floating right next to the bathtub there. It's on a pole that goes floor to ceiling. I've never seen that type of thing before. And the lamps on either side of the TV here are mannequin busts. All sort of very interesting setup. And I'm assuming there's a mini bar tucked in down here. Yeah. So there's a little mini bar tucked in down here. So all the basic stuff you'd expect are sort of there. They're just hidden away in small spaces. There isn't a lot of space in this room for a whole ton of stuff. What part of what makes this a deluxe room is also this balcony view out here. So if we open this door and step outside, it is an interesting view of the mountains out here in Sapa. So we've got that hotel down there sort of gets the best views, I think. But yeah, we're on the 9th floor here, and up on the 10th there's a restaurant. Looks like they have a walkout balcony up there. I'll have to go check that out later. But yeah, that's the hotel. It's a large property, lots of wings, lots of spaces. Not sure what this building used to be, but it's definitely got some story behind it, I'm sure. Wish I had looked it up so I could tell you, but hey, Google it and tell me in the comments. Okay, that was your quick room tour of the Hotel de la Coupole MGallery by Sofitel here in Sapa, Vietnam. See you guys later. Bye.